Okay, so we finished now the top stitching of the front and back panels. So the shoulders are closed now there, and then we also finished the armhole, the turning of the armhole. So the next up now is a fairly easy step as well. It's just to close the sweater on the sides now, and then after that we'll just do a top stitch of that side seam. So it's just to close the side seam now, so it's not a difficult thing. So it's just more a matter of aligning. There's no sewing of, there's no we're just going to close it with the overlocker. And now remember, this is a 5-thread overlocker, so there's a safety stitch here on the far left hand side. So there's no need to go back to the lock stitch machine. We're just going to go back there for the top stitch, but this thing is already secure here, and we're just going to make sure that we line them up like this, that both the panels are aligned, and then switch on the machine. That will help. And then we just go for all the jackets. We're going to do exactly the same. Make sure they're aligned, straight. It's a fairly fast thing to do. Today is a lovely day, but it's very hot today. Let me put these two together. I folded these sweaters and I folded them to the wrong side, so I should have folded them to the right side, and I should have folded them to the wrong side, because then it would go faster. But it doesn't matter. It's now just to close the side seams here. Make sure they are nicely straight and aligned, and you don't have troubles later when you attach the waistband. So got it here. Okay, so the first one is finished now. Let's turn it over. So the jacket is now closed on the side. Let me lay it out here flat if I can. So it's now closed on the top here, and the armhole is finished, and then it's closed on the side now as well. So the only thing that we're going to do next is we're going to sew up the rest on the sides, but after that we'll quickly go to the lock stitch machine, and we'll just make a top stitch to stitch this seam that is here to keep it flat and nice, and then this part is finished. The overlocking goes very fast, and then we'll do the rest, the lock stitch on top of each other, on the top. So yeah, this is my it. It's not difficult, it's a quick exercise actually. I should have folded these things correctly, but okay. So yeah, so it is just, I'm just going to start now with the rest, and then in the next video we will start with the waistband. Maybe the collar, we'll decide, but I think we'll probably start with the waistband because that is going to be the easiest, I think. Not the easiest, but it's going to be, it's a different exercise. So yeah. Okay.